Welcome back to another Sloth in the Box unboxing. Today we have the new Magic the Gathering Innistrad Midnight Hunt, and I actually have three different things. I have the pre-release bundle as well as the set booster, and when you get the pre-release you also get 2 set booster packs. And I got all this at Pinnacle Cards and Games up in Birmingham, Alabama. If y'all want to get into this or see what they have up there, they're a pretty cool store up there. But yeah, let's get right into the video and see exactly what all comes with each pack. We'll go ahead and start off with the pre-release, considering it's new. Let's see what came first. Let's see here. So like always, most of these packs come with a deck or a card box holder. Let's see. So we got a nice divider. And get some promo cards with it. Magic the Gathering Arena. I'm not going to show that code because I am going to use that later. I almost showed you the code, and it looks like a rule book. Yeah. Putting a pre-release deck. We're not really competing in the tournament, but for those who are, that usually just helps you understand exactly what you get. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 draft booster packs, and you get a dice that comes with it as well, with the logo for the set pack. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. I don't think there's anything else in here. Let me check. Yeah, no, I think it was just the dice. Let's see what we get for the promos. I have a feeling they're all going to be foil cards. So Puppet, Stitcher, a day card, and night card. So I guess that's how you tell. That's the new mechanic that they're having, is day and night. And apparently, oh, you can use these. These are the cards that you use to represent double face cards. So that way, you don't have. You can put the double-sided cards for day and night, and have them. Well, not have to put them in a singular sleeve to where you have to keep flipping it around. Rather, you can put it in a clear so you can see both front and back, and then have those in your actual deck that mark which card you're going to be using. But yeah. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and also get started with our draft boosters. I'll use this pile right here to represent the foils, since that promo was a foil. Alright, let's see what we got. I'm going to go ahead and start going through most of these commons and uncommons, because that usually eats away at most of our time, but I will have them separated. So our first rare looks like is Tainted Adversary, and a Plains. Oh, that's actually really nice. That nice looking texture for that Plains. And we got a human token and another representation card. I'll put all the plains and basic lands over there. Try and keep it all organized. If I get one of the day or night cards that have the front and back, I'll try and show you what it would look like. Let's see what we got. Oh, that was one of the day or nights. Let me go and put these down. So you got your front for the sun, and then the back you got your moon where it kind of changes to a certain creature. And let's see. Alright, there we go. And our first rare is a legendary artifact, Mask of the Grizzlebrand, with our land as usual. This one's a mountain. Really like these designs for this one. And our foil. It's Diffenstrate, I believe is how it's pronounced. Diffenstrate. And then we got our token, another day and night card. Goodness, shaking the whole table. Yeah, this is actually pretty exciting, being able to do a pre-release. Oh, that is a different type of bordering right there. It's pretty cool. And it's a werewolf with the front and back. Very nice. Alright. But yeah, it's pretty... Oh my... Okay, I can't seem to talk without being interrupted with a nice looking card. It's one of our rares. Legendary creature, human warlock, Catilida, Dawnheart Prime. Yeah, that's it. And we got our forced, and we also got another foil, Phantom Carriage. Very nice looking card. And then our usual token. And another marker card. So with these marker cards, what you do is you'd set the front and back cards to the side, and whenever you actually drew the marker card, then you would get whatever that marker card represented. But yeah, it's always cool to be able to actually get something that is freshly coming out and actually see what all could entail before the price either drops or hires, because it's always a gamble depending on the cards that actually come in the set. And there's our first rare, is Curse of Leeches. Another plains, and no foil this time. Alright, we're almost done with all the pre-release. Oh, this one came with... Was this a set? Oh, yep. I'm going to put these to the side. I did not mean to actually open up this one. I meant to grab one of these. That was a mistake on my part. But we all make mistakes. We're all human. Or not. Could be a werewolf for all I know. Alright. Some uncommons. Another one with that nice looking background. Bordering. I don't know why I keep saying background. And our first rare is Patrician Geist. Please don't attack me if I got that wrong. And an island, basic land. With our spider token and another I think all these draft boosters have token cards on them. I mean, it's nice to have them because you never know how many you're going to actually use. Alright. And this is our last actual draft booster for the pre-release. So after this we'll be moving into the set boosters, which I accidentally already opened one of the packs that came with the pre-release, but you win some, you lose some, right? I think we already got this one, Mask of Grizzlebrand. And another mountain with a bird. Just a normal bird. Alright, now moving into that pack I opened earlier, which was the set booster. And our art card. That wasn't it. Come on. There it is. There's our art card. Trying to find somewhere that place them. Yeah, that'll work. And then our planes, and let's go and start looking through these. Get rid of all these uncommons. Ah! They're all falling apart on me. Another one with that nice bordering. Two of them with the bordering. I guess that's what it'll come with now. I think the set boosters come with at least two of them. Curse of Leeches again. Oops. Yeah, Curse of Leeches. There we go. Leech Lurker. And our foil is Candlelit Cavalry. Another marker card. And our second set booster that came with the pre-release. I need to find a better way to open these cards. Alright. See that. Oh my gosh, they're getting stuck to the planes, or the basic lands. A bunch of cats eating something. And a little ghost cat. Planes. Alright, let's go ahead and shuffle through all these real quick. Find what we're really looking for. Forward to, at least. There we go. Consuming Blob. Consuming Blob. And our foil. Oh, a rare foil. Suspicious Stowaway. With a Seafaring Werewolf for the back of it. Very nice. And we got our first one from a different set. I remember I got one of these in the other sets for Modern Horizons 2, but I can't remember what it was actually called. It is Air Element, though, with flying. Just flying, that's all it gets. I'll put these... Let me move the tokens over here and put the... There we go. Alright, that does it for the pre-release, so let's go ahead and get all this out of the way. And open up our set booster pack. Get into that. Ah. Come on. I'm going to take this off screen for a second because it doesn't want to open like all the other ones did. Alright. This is a hefty box. But yeah, no, there isn't really any price releases yet on how much any of these would actually go for. So you could do something, get something great or not, but that is all up to chance, depending on whether or not these cards will actually be used in normal play. And I also forgot to mention that I did get a new playmat for actual Magic the Gathering, because I had been saying that I would in the past two videos, and I actually did it this time with the actual... Oh, that's a Plains. Cool. But yeah, because I've been saying in the past videos that I would be getting a Magic the Gathering playmat. But yeah, I got the Black Lotus playmat. Really like the design of the Black Lotus, and it is one of the most sought after cards in the Magic community. Granted identity for another rare. And our foil is Dual Craft Trainer. Why does it feel like the back is also hollow? Whatever. Ah. Okay, so that seems probably like the best way, as long as I just rip it fast. Hopefully I don't damage any of the cards. And we got a foil land. Very cool. with that. I really like that. That swamp looks very nice. I'll put that over here. Foil lands can have their own pile because they're just that cool. So yeah, what has everyone else been up to? Any plans for the weekend? Considering when I'm filming this, it is Friday. So y'all got any plans that y'all are gonna be doing? Oh, we got Teferi, who slows the sunset, and that is a planeswalker. Very cool. And our foil is Mounted Dread Knight. But yeah, any plans? I know tomorrow I'm going to be watching a football game. I'm going to actually be going to the game. That's going to be fun. Oh my gosh, I keep getting these stuck together. I wish they would just keep the art cards facing forward so they don't get stuck on them. But yeah, the football game I'm going to watch is going to be JSU. Because last week they somehow came in and won against FSU, so they're in a different conference, and yet they still beat them. So that's pretty interesting, and I would love to see how that game will persist. We got Brutal Catcher with the back of Moonrag Brute, and Jayist Wave for our foil, with another day-night card. Nice little bridge. Okay, another mountain. Yeah. Oh, I really like that. That's a pretty cool picture right there. And our foil is Rockfall Valley. Enters the battlefield tapped unless you control 2 or more lands. Okay. It's not a fetch land, but I mean, it's still pretty cool. You get either fire mana or the other type of mana, the forest. Jeez. And our foil is Flare of Faith. And it looks like we got another one from a different pack. I'm pretty sure this is from the Odyssey pack. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mind Slicer. But yeah, pretty cool. Oh yeah, that tear felt right. That was a good tear right there. Now I wonder if all these booster boxes or set boosters come with a signature art card, at least one. I haven't seen one yet, so... Oh no, those are in the wrong pile! No, 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 no! There we go. Much better. Easy fix. Alright, another commander card. This one is also a rare. Pretty cool. Visions of Dominance. And our other rare is... Yeah, no, I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Human Wizard Creature. Ooh, and we got a foil Dawnheart Wanders. Or Wardens. And that neat border. I think it's a little bit... You can barely see the foil around like the text box. Darn, not a good tear. These are the type of tears that cause it to take forever. Okay. Werewolf art picture, pretty cool. Got our swamp. Plummet. I'm pretty sure that some cards in the Midnight Hunt are also in Enter the Forgotten Realms. I could be wrong, but I think there are some. Florian, Voldarn, Scion. It's our first rare, and then our foil is Lunar Frenzy. With a wolf token. Ah, that's a close enough tear. So let's see if we get anything that looks very decent. And by decent I mean cool, and by cool I mean I like. Or hopefully you guys like. Here's our first rare. Slaughter Specialist. And our foil is Locked in the Cemetery. I hope I am never locked in any cemetery. That would be very undesirable. Goodness. Just got done today having to help a friend move in. Hence why I was in Birmingham at the time. Happened upon these. No, I didn't realize that these were actually being released today. I'll just go into the Pinnacle Cards and Games shop because I like to see what all these shops that I visit have or are nearby. Because you never know. Sometimes they will have a box that almost nowhere else has. There's is that a mythic? It looks like a mythic Elios Nephilia Sleuth from the Commanders section of the Midnight Hunt. And then we got some commons, another uncommon, and our Primary Advisor. Primary Adversary. For our rare. Wait, no, mythic. And our foil is a Plummet. And we have one from another set, being Factor Fiction. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Sorry if I sound tired in this video. It's just been a long day. Moving stuff is not light. Got herself a forged. Oh my gosh, it's making me alternate before commons and uncommons. Old Sticky Fingers. Stick fingers. I don't know, them look like some sticky fingers right there. Something that could take some out of my wallet. Their foil is Unruly Mob. With a... looks like a minigame. Yeah, Magic minigame. Into the Story Horror Edition. Nice. Oh yeah, these rips are going well. I think this is probably the best way. That's probably why they had the actual notch in there for you to actually rip it with. But yeah, Birmingham traffic today was not fun. It was backed up for a while. I know a lot of people don't like traffic themselves, but I feel like a lot of it could be avoided if some crazy people don't try and weave in between lanes, causing other people to slam on their brakes. Ludovic Necrogenist. Oh my god. That is something right there. That is a really nice foil. Dinic Polius Apprentice, or Pious Apprentice. Legendary creature, human soldier, and on the back we have Pious Apprentice again. He's another. This one's a spirit soldier. Okay, so one is alive and one is dead, basically. That's very cool. Really like that. I like the front and back foils. Alright, this is the end of the first three columns of the packs. We gotta put our forest away. Wait a minute. You shouldn't be there, silly. You should be over here. All these swapping between common and uncommons is throwing me off. Champion of the Perished is our first rare. And our foil is Shady Traveler. It's a front and back foil. I like it. Stalking Predator. Menace and Nightbound. I don't know what Nightbound is. That must be a new effect with this pack. Alright, we're on to the second column. I feel like we just got her. I could be wrong though. And a foil swamp. I like it. We have two foil swamps. And that's the only foil lands we actually got from this pack so far. I mean, I'm not complaining or anything. Swamp is my favorite type of land. Ooh! That's nice. Florian Voldarian Scion. Another legendary creature. Very cool. And then Bloodline Cooling. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Target creature gets -5/-5 until end of turn, or creature token gets -2. Just said negative if any of y'all caught that. And then our foil is Component Collector. With a zombie. Okie dokie. Oh, there's our signature. And it's the dragon. Another dragon signature card. I like it. I'm going to put him in his own special spot. He can be at the bottom. Yeah. Back and forth with the common uncommons, I swear. Rite of Harmony. These are rare. And our foil is Burn the Accused. I didn't realize we were playing the Salem Witch Trials now, but ooh, and something from, it looks like the 10-year of Magic the Gathering. I believe that's what the X is. The Doubling Cube, and it is actually a rare as well. A rare artifact. Double the mana, or double the amount of each type of mana in your mana. Huh. Okay, that's a little broken. I feel like that's a little broken. You know, at first, when I first started getting into Magic, I thought the booster boxes, like the draft boosters, were better than the set boosters, but that was until I realized that the, oh look, Foil Island, very nice. First one that's different than a swamp. But yeah, that's before I realized that some of these have a chance of coming with a card from a different set. which is always fun to have a little randomness added to the pool. Because when I first saw set boosters, I thought like it was all based around like the very back card, but it's not. At least I don't think it is. Then we got Willow Jest, and our foil is Harvested Infiltrator. I mean, it's just common, and another one from a different set. Here we go. We are just rolling with these different set cards. Birthing Bots. Create a 2/2 colorless shapeshifter creature token with Chainling. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, that one I don't know. I don't know which one that was from, and I don't even have a guess. So far we only have one signature, and I feel like that's how it's going to go. You just get one for each set box, that is. Don't be expecting it if you get single packets. I feel like a single packet is just a waste because you don't know whether or not it's going to have anything good or bad. And there's no chance of kind of redeeming it if you buy a second one because you don't know if they're even from the same box. There's our first rare being Sigarian Savior. And our foil is Search Party Captain. Pretty cool. Another day-night token. Okay. Have to straighten it up a little bit. Oh. Bad. Bad sloth. Bad sloth pair. Ooh. Like that. And then we got a foil forest. Let's see if we can get an entire set of each different mana type for foils. That'd be very nice. And our first rare would be Rim Carlios Stalwart Slayer. Oh, we got two. Oh, wait, no, that one... Yeah, that's another rare. Oh, that has a different texture to it. It's not a foil, but it's a different texture on the actual art. Our second one is Patrician Geist again. And we got another one. Wait, should that be a foil? That's not a... It's not a foil. It is a foil-ish type, but it also has a weird texture. It's pretty cool. And our one is another 10 from the 10th year. It is Spellbook. You have no maximum hand size. That must be very nice for people who like to continually draw cards. Like if their actual hand or their deck is built around drawing cards, they wouldn't have to actually get rid of any at any point. So I haven't seen another signature art card yet, so it's just confirming my theory more and more. I mean, it's probably already been deemed that that is true, that you only get one signature card per pack or per box. But hey, if it is already proven and I do get a second one, that'd be pretty big. And there's a mythic. Hostile. It's a land. You add one colorless mana, or you could sacrifice a creature, put a soul counter on the hotel or hostile. Then if there are 3 or more soul counts on it, remove those counters, transform until the untap. Until then, transform it, then untap it, activate only as a sword. Oh, so it becomes this. Yeah, that's not terrifying at all. And then our foil is Devious Cover-Up with a spider token. We're almost done with our second column that we got. Oh, that's not good. There's a bend in it. Luckily it's just minigame rules. Need to start flying through this if we want to keep this video as short as possible. I mean, I kind of figured it'd be a little longer than any usual one, because I did also have... Ooh, Mythic! I think we already had her, but still. Leonora Autumn Sovereigner. Sovereign. One of the two. And it looks like our rare is Graveyard Trespasser. And our foil is Jack-O-Lantern. The Jack-O-Lantern. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, that was foil from the last pack. Alright. Let's keep on keeping on, shall we? I'm just glad that was the only card that had a bad corner. Was that very back one. Wasn't really worth anything anyways, and never was going to be worth anything. It was just minigame rules. But hey, it's still never a good sign if you see it on one of your cards. But look, luckily it wasn't anything too drastic. Oh my gosh, back and forth again. There we go. Memory Doge for our rare. And our foil is Eccentric Farmer. Looks like we got another foil island. That's still only 3 out of the 5, but we're getting there. That's all that matters. And our rare is Just Flame Reservoir. And our foil is a rare as well. Rite of Harmony. And we have one from another pack. I haven't gotten this one before. Assassin's Blade. Play Assassin's Blade only after you're attacked. Before you declare Interceptors, destroy any one attacking creature that isn't black. Nice. So that could really save your butt on the back line if you're attacking and someone's trying to block with a non-black card. That is. Alright. That's a pretty cool art. Really do like the medieval type looking styles of this. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below. What y'all think of this pack, or if you think it'll be worth anything, or if you think it'll even be used much. Burn Down the House is our rare. And then our foil is Bat Whisperer. Sorry, I had to step away there for a second in the middle of recording, but it was for a good reason. My brother had called, and his friend wanted to know when my spring break was. Never told me why, so that ought to be fun to try and figure out later. Okay. Let's see. That's that. Oh, I thought I was going to go back and forth. Ooh, Borderless. Full art Rockfall Vow. Rockfall Vow enters the battlefield tapped, and I think we already had this one, but it was a regular one. And that wasn't even the normal rare. Cool. There's our normal rare. Hollowed Respite. Cool. And then our foil is Novice Ocultist. And we have a Magic the Gathering 14 edition card, Young Pyromancer. When you cast an instant or sorcery spell, put a 1/1 red element creature token into the battlefield. Very nice. Oh, by the way, we are on the last column of cards. I believe that last pack was the first one of the column. That's not terrifying at all. This man's woman? Man, what? I don't know. Wearing a skull, it looks like, for a hat. There's our rare, being Malvik Hermit. I think we already had him before. Could be wrong. And then our foil is Defend the Celestus. Defend the Celestus. Hey, how did my human token get over there? That's not right. Having to shuffle through these. I just wish they did these in order for the set booster. I mean, it's always fun to come across something that's like a rare while you're shuffling through just commons, but still. Fateful Absence for our rare. And our foil's another rare with that nice border, Reckless Stormseeker. And the back is Storm Charge Slasher. Very cool. And that was our foil. And then a Tree Folk token. Our common pile stacking up like usual. Regular Swamp. Some of these cards have an interesting texture to them. Oh, another Consuming Blob. Ooze. He's Ooze. Hopefully he never becomes over-oozed. I try to think I'm funny. Anyways, on to the next pack. How dare you? You're trash, and that's a card. Almost threw that one into the ceiling. Guess my playing card throwing skills are getting better. Feels like there's another card underneath the one I'm holding at some points. And we got Croaking Counterpart for our rare. And our foil is Silver Bolt. Good old Silver Bolt. And some merchandise. We're coming down to the final packs. Let's see. Ooh, another full art, and this one is I think it's a mythic, and it's a planeswalker. Daybound. Until your next turn, you may cast creature spell as though they had flash, and each creature you control enters the battlefield with an additional +1/+1 counter on it. Wow. That is... Oh, and there's a back. There's a back to her? Bless me. You get to add 2 to her just for getting mana. 2 mana. You get 2 mana for gaining 2. I feel like that's going to be a little broken. I could be wrong, but still. And we got another land, Shipwreck Marsh. I think I already got this one. But yeah, that's our rare. And then our foil is an heirloom mirror. As well as the back of Inherited Fiend. Well done, young fool. Well done. Now for your reward. I don't think that's going to be a real reward. I feel like that reward is more like you are his lunch slash dinner. Linner. You're his linner. I would not want to be anyone's linner. That's a terrible way to go. I'll just have it on your tombstone. Yeah, this dude became linner. Alright, let's see. There is our rare being the Celestus. Oh, I believe one of the other cards said protect the Celestus, so this is it's a legendary artifact. You get to add 1 mana of any color just for tapping it. Nice. And then you can pay 3 mana. If it's night, it becomes day. Otherwise, it becomes night again. Activate only as a sorcery. If it's neither day nor night, it becomes day as the Celestus enters about. Okay. So this is a way to change the day and night cycle. Very nice. And our foil is Revenge of the Drowned. With an element token. Okay. Down to the last 2 packs. Let's see if the luck is gonna rise in these last 2. Like the sun rises on a nice morning after drinking a good old cup of coffee. And there's our rare being Valdric Astral Archmage. Yeah, that's how it is. Legendary creature, human wizard. Oh, look at that. A foiled Evolving Wilds. I am tired of seeing this card. The amount of times I've seen this card in the Adventure into the Forgotten Realms, it has me annoyed. Just seeing it. I mean, it's nice. I think that's the only foil I have of Evolving Wilds, but still. Annoyance. And a Flying Spirit creature token. And it's time for the last one. The last pack. Let's see what we get. I feel like we are going to get a foil land out of this one. I feel it. I can feel it in my bones. I was wrong. My bones are lying to me. But yeah, I think we've only gotten 1 signature card. I will go back and look at that to see if I am right or wrong. I think the signature cards are 1 per set booster. There's our rare. Being Tovalar's Huntmaster. On the back we got a werewolf pack leader, or Tolvar's pack leader. And our foil is Chaplain of Alms. Who becomes Chaplain Shieldgest when it's nighttime. And our final card is from a different pack. Fellwar Stone. Fellwar Stone. It's an artifact. Add to your mana pool 1 mana of any color that a land an opponent controls could produce. So you're basically using your opponent's land to your advantage. But yeah, that'll that'll do it for today. Thank you all for who tuned in. If you liked the video, leave a like. If not, tell me down in the comments below. Or if you did like it, let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and if there's any way I could improve. Thank you guys again for watching, and that is it for Sloth in the Box.